Hello everyone, welcome back to BrightMind CBSE Class, where learning becomes easy and smart fun. In our previous lesson, we learned about addition and subtraction with fractions. Today, we will learn another important concept, mixed numbers, using a simple text and easy examples. So, let's take an example. Imagine you have ordered two whole pizzas and you ate one whole pizza and one half of the another pizza. Okay, so let me draw here for better understanding. Let me draw two pizzas. First one, here is the pizza, and the second one, another pizza. And this first one pizza, you have whole pizza you have eaten, and for the second one you have eaten only half pizza. So it means one whole you have finished, and one for the second pizza you have only ate half of the pizza. Okay, so here it means, how do we can write here one whole pizza or one half of the pizza? You have eaten how many pizza? One whole pizza and a half of the second pizza. So that is called the mixed fraction. This is the mixed fraction. Okay, so here 1 and a half of 1 by 2, it's called the mixed fraction. And a mixed fraction has two parts. A mixed fraction is made up of one whole number and a proper fraction. One whole number and second one is proper fraction. Okay, so now we will learn about the how to convert the mixed numbers into the proper improper fraction and vice versa. Okay, I will write here a number 23 by 5. This is an improper fraction. Why this is an improper fraction? Because this 23 number numerator is the larger than the denominator. This 23 is larger than the number 5. Okay, its numerator is larger than the denominator. Simple. So we can also convert this 23 by 5 into a improper fraction and into a mixed fraction. Okay, so I will show you here how to convert into a mixed fraction. What I will do here, 23 by 5 I will write here again, then 23 I will do the divided by 5 goes to 4 times 20 cross, here is 3 is the remainder. So we can write here 23 by 5 equal to, we can write here in a quotient is written here, writing here, and remainder is 3 by 5. So it means 23 by 5, it's equal to 4 whole number, it's a 3 by 5. Okay, I hope you understood that how to convert mixed to improper fraction and improper to mixed fraction. Okay, that's all for the today's lesson. If you enjoyed and learned from this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to BrightMind CBSE. Till the time, keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, learn today, lead tomorrow. See you in the next class. Happy learning. Thank you.